bedroom home. You're gonna have to check it out for sure.
I am so excited to share Holiday Out 76 with you. This is an amazing home located in the sought-out community of Holiday Out just across from the beach. This amazing house offers 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-story concrete block, and the most amazing thing is the balcony on the 2nd floor. So follow me and let's go take a peek.
You'll love this stunning home built in 2023. A concrete block beach house you'll definitely want to see. Open concept, modern charm, and lots of natural light. Once you see it, your heart will be filled with pure delight. Awesome kitchen with granite countertops, fantastic island, and more. This place really pops. Cozy living room and a bathroom with a shower to soothe. A spacious bedroom with a Murphy bed. What's not to choose? Heading upstairs for another surprise. Oh wow, you won't believe your eyes. A large, beautiful bedroom with a window seat and an ensuite bathroom that just can't be beat. But wait, there's more. The best is yet to come. Yes, it's a balcony. Enjoy ocean breezes and then some. This incredible house is waiting for you to call it home. Make it yours for years to come. Make it your own.
Can you imagine yourself in this home? Can you imagine sitting up here with these breezes, drinking your morning coffee, having friends over in the afternoon for cocktails to enjoy the sunset? If you can, you need to call or text me today, and I can make this your new piece of paradise. Remember, don't dream it, live it.
And then some. This incredible house is waiting for you to call it home. Make it yours for years to come. Make it your own.
Have you been watching and waiting, trying to find that perfect piece of paradise for you? Maybe you've seen lots that you've liked, but they didn't have enough bedrooms, didn't have enough bathrooms, didn't have enough space that you needed. Well, I have got the perfect place for you. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath house has the most awesome space for entertaining and has a great riverfront view. Let's check out 935 Nettles.
Welcome to paradise where dreams come true. This Nettles Island gem is waiting for you. With 3-bedroom, 3 baths, and so much space. Over 2,700 feet of pure grace. Nestled near the river, just steps to the sea. Sunsets and ocean breeze, how sweet life can be. A brand new roof, shutters that stand strong. A kitchen so modern, where you belong, where you belong, where you belong, where you belong. Relax in the spa tub after a long day, or stroll to the beach, let the waves lead the way. 2 heated pools, tennis courts, so much to do. A cafe, fitness center, all here just for you. With a marina nearby and a private beach too. This home's a true treasure through and through. Hurricane ready with upgrades galore. At 935 Nettles, who could ask for more? Who could ask for more? At 935 Nettles, your island life starts. Luxury, comfort, and style in all parts. Pools by the ocean and the ocean's bright sand. Come find your dream home where life is so grand. Life is so grand.
Can you imagine this being your view every single day? Well, if so, then reach out, call, text me, shoot me an email. Let's schedule an appointment for you to see your piece of paradise. Remember, don't dream it, live it.
With 3-bedroom, 3 baths, and so much space. Over 2,700 feet of pure grace.
this charming home you're sure to desire. Once you see it, you'll want to acquire. With 2 beds and 2 baths that are oh so sweet, and the master is amazing, it's the perfect retreat. Then you have the fun room, the wall with the manatee. Sit back, gaze, and dream immersed in your own fantasy. The master bath is a sight to behold. You're gonna love it, truth be told. Of course the kitchen is an absolute dream, and a lovely living room to complete the scene. The guest room is perfect and your needs will be met with a wonderful bathroom. Yes, you're all set. The location is awesome, the amenities divine. The only thing left to do is say, let's make this mine. So get in touch with either Shelley Ross or Brenda Lee, and make this home your own and live by the sea.
Welcome to Nettles Island on beautiful Hutchinson Island, where the beach is just across the street and every day feels like a vacation. This charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath furnished home offers nearly 1,000 square feet of open living space with vaulted ceilings, a spacious dining area off the kitchen, and a large master suite. Tile floors throughout make it bright, airy, and easy to maintain. Outside, the property features a shady paved side yard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. But life on Nettles Island is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Enjoy 2 heated pools, one by the riverside and another by the ocean. Here, you'll find something for everyone. Whether you're searching for a vacation getaway, retirement retreat, or income property, this coastal gem offers comfort, convenience, and resort-style living all in one. Schedule your tour today and start living the island dream.
Hi, I'm Marguerite Scanny.
And I'm Pamela Dombeck.
We're going to take you on a beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit here in Fairwinds Cove on beautiful Jensen Beach. The kitchen offers a cozy layout with a conveniently located laundry.
The guest suite is ideal for your overnight visitors.
The enclosed porch is the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the Florida breeze.
Ideal for entertaining or relaxing after a day at the beach. The spacious master bedroom features a walk-in closet and a private bath. If you're looking for a seasonal getaway, a rental investment, or a full-time Florida retreat,
This condo checks all the boxes.